Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberry roses. First, choose about 1 dozen firm, ripe strawberries. Wash them gently and ensure they are completely dry to help the chocolate adhere properly. Next, melt approximately 8 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like milk, dark or white, using a double boiler or microwave. Stir until smooth. Prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper for the finished roses. Now, let's shape those beautiful rose petals. Hold a strawberry by its green hull. Using a small, sharp paring knife, make 4 to 5 shallow, thin cuts around the base, creating the first layer of petals. Be careful not to cut too deeply. Rotate the strawberry slightly and make another layer of petals above the first, staggering them for a natural rose effect. Repeat this process for 3 to 4 layers. With your rose petals carved, it's time for the delicious chocolate dip. Hold the strawberry by its stem and carefully dip it into the melted chocolate, ensuring all the carved petals are fully coated. Gently tap the strawberry against the side of the bowl to remove any excess chocolate. Place each chocolate-covered strawberry rose onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. You can add sprinkles or a drizzle of contrasting chocolate now. To ensure your chocolate-covered strawberry roses set perfectly, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm to the touch. Once set, remove them from the refrigerator. These elegant treats are best enjoyed fresh. Arrange them artfully on a serving platter for a stunning and delicious presentation. Enjoy your homemade edible roses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.